So today is day 2 of my vlogs, and it's opening night of Cats, so that's exciting. But I'm getting a bit of a cough, which is unfortunate, so I have my lemon honey tea right here, which is my best friend at this moment, saving my life. Well, so I need to drink this and get my makeup, then head to the Academy of Music in Northampton. So if you're in the area, come see us. It's going to be an amazing show. Okay, so we're back at the Academy again, and as you can see, there is a lot of traffic everywhere. So a couple of people are late. So we're a little behind schedule, and we're doing my tricks now. But it's still going to be a great show.
Yeah, it's going to be a really great show, I bet. Yeah.
Okay, so we're like 10 minutes till the show starts, and we're all backstage. The audience is in the auditorium now, and it's gonna be a good show. So, yeah. Now it's intermission. Act 1 went awesome. Except at the end.
My mic is never on.
The only part that happened was at the end, I tripped going up my block and I hurt my leg. Again, it's like the 4th time in the show I've hurt my leg. So, yep, the show must go on. Okay, so my cavity is going on right now. It's my one break in this entire show. Because that, and then after that is the battle with my cavity, which I'm also not in. But after that, I'm in the rest of the show, because we barely ever leave the stage. And now I better go, because I'm going to be on stage soon. Bye. Okay.
A cat is not a dog.
Okay, so the show's over, and we're outside on the side of the Academy next to the stage door. There's people in their dressing room yelling out the best dance. Okay, so this is Hannah. This is Hannah. There's Shane and Maddie.
You know how to go to that.
And our dressing room. These are the windows that we were hanging out earlier. Yesterday.
Okay.
Look, more people coming out. And there's a busy street. People staring at us.
This is Grisabella.
This is our lead.
So are you.
Our amazing lead, Grisabella, or Callie, as she prefers.
She's stop. They're from my mommy. My mom.
Okay, so we're at Harold's after the show.
Into his lair.
And there's Maddie and Catherine and Tess and Catherine's friends.
We're writing a song for Sin. Okay, ready guys? I hope she knows we still love her after this. Memory, Sin is changing my memory. Now it's raining.
Stuff on your...
Just a little vanilla ice cream. It's white. It's all good. It's all good. It's all gone. Memory, Sin is changing my memory. She reblocked the scene 3 times. Sin is opening night. You can't put me in a scene that I know nothing about. Guys, I think I can get this over my head without smearing my makeup. The show has no plot line. Can she do it? Memory. Sin is changing my memory. I don't even know my words. Never mind someone else's. Just because. Just Tess's